So this is the VEVOR 2-in-1 electric hot pot and grill. If you love hot pot, shabu shabu, and grilled food like me, then this is the perfect combination for you. So once you have everything unboxed, make sure you reference the instruction manual on how to care, how to use, and how to assemble it. And this is what the final assembly will look like. Okay, looks like it's going to require a little bit of assembly, but it's very easy. Got the two handles which will go through here, the hot pot. So here's the center hot pot compartment, which the material is made of aluminum. All right, so this volume of the hot pot is 3.25 liters. You have a separator divider, which is perfect for if you want one spicy and the other one sweet and savory or bland. Okay, and by the way, it has non-stick coating on both of these units. All right, and of course you have a cover. You have to put the handle on. Very easy. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have 3 temperature controlled power units, which range from 0 all the way to 5. So you basically 5 heat settings. All right, temperature controlled for the hot pot and also for the grill unit. Here is the grill unit and stuff. Okay. Now the total weight of this is about right under 10 pounds. And the measurement of the grill is 11.1 inches by 30.31 inches with a height of about 7.8 inches, including the grill that sits on there. So before use, of course, make sure you wash all the surfaces with warm soapy water. It looks like instructions manual doesn't show you how to assemble it, but don't worry, I'm an engineer. I'll show you guys how to do it. So what we want to do for the handle of the lid is to insert the screw into this plastic washer type fastener, and then we want to place it here, and then insert the plastic cap onto here and screw on tight, and make sure that's centered too on here. And I think you don't want to over tighten it too, because that's a plastic part, and if you over tighten it, it could break it. That's the final assembly look like. And as for the handles, you simply insert it into the metal slots like this. And I'm pretty sure in terms of material, these are silicone based to withstand the high temperature requirements, like your cooking utensils. As for the handles of the grill, you use the screw and these rubber stops to insert it from the bottom side in order to tighten it, like so. Once the screws are on tight, insert the rubber stoppers. It's time for dinner. Let's see what we're having for a hot pot and grill today. But first, let's turn on the hot pot. Adjustable setting up to 5. Let's do the same for the grill. Also adjustable setting. Bok choy, cauliflower, 2 kinds of mushroom. We got beef, lamb, and chicken knuckles. Some clams, fish balls, beef ball, and some shrimp. Let's see what we're having in here in the hot pot. We have seafood on the left and tom yum flavor on the right. Let's let that heat up. We are ready to eat. And the hot pot is boiling. Oh, let's put some vegetable in here. So what's awesome about this hot pot grill combo is that it has 5 temperature settings, highly customizable for your cooking needs, ranging from 149 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for cooking any type of food. Listen to the sizzling of the shrimp grilling. Ooh, look at the texture. Wow. Just like at the hibachi grill. Wow, we're having so much fun. As you can see, this hot pot grill combo is perfect for family to enjoy healthy meals at home. We love it. Get yours today from VEVOR.